In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your IP address on WhatsApp calls. So whether you're using WhatsApp video calls or WhatsApp voice call, you can easily protect your IP address from hackers or unknown trackers. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is you want to open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone like this. Then while on the chat page, click on the settings icon. Now once you're on the settings page, just scroll down and click on privacy. Then once you select privacy, you want to scroll down, click on advanced. Then once you selected that, click on protect IP address in calls. Once that is enabled, this is going to make it harder for people to find your location. Calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp server. This will reduce call quality though, but this is going to make sure your call IP cannot be tracked or no one can easily hack your call while using the WhatsApp application. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.